Soft scrolling. If your hair is dry, breaking, or not growing, this powerful compound treatment will change everything. I use simple ingredients like almond oil, jojoba oil, honey, and deep conditioning method with heat, and the result is amazing. This is not just a hair mask, this is complete hair transformation routine. If you want soft, long, and strong hair, watch this video to the end because I will show you exactly how to do it and step by step, and also how to apply. So stay with me and see how we are going to make it. As you guys can see how I begin it, I start put my conditioner into my bowl, and after put the conditioner inside, the first ingredient that I added was my sweet almond oil. So now as you guys can see, I'm holding jojoba oil that I'm holding right now. I'm going to add that one also, 1 tablespoon inside. So please, you can add any carrier oil of your choice, which oil that you prefer to put inside. It doesn't matter, you should add jojoba oil or sweet almond oil, but if you have that oil, why not, you can add that one also. So after adding my jojoba oil, the next ingredient that I'm adding right now is my honey. That one also, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey inside. Please stay tuned because I'm going to use this to apply to my daughter for you guys to see if you want benefit and if you want to use it, so that you will know the exactly how to start. My people, I'm sharing my best hair growth secret with you people. This is a powerful compound treatment. I'm using it on my daughter hair to keep her hair soft, healthy, and strong growing. So this is what they call compound treatment. Compound treatment because I'm going to combine scalp oils, massage, deep conditioner, and heat. Heat method also is going to be part of it, and this method work deep from the scalp to the end. Is very, very good, especially those who have the hair type like my daughter. I and my daughter, we have low prostate hair. So low prostate hair, when you are doing this thing, is very, very good and is very important. So you need to watch to the end and see how we are. I'm going to finish everything. Let's talk about the powerful mix that I'm doing right now. Deep conditioner, as you know, deep conditioner is good, but sometimes only deep conditioner cannot remove all the product from your scalp. You need to transform it to be a powerful, maybe cleanser or something else treatment for yourself, to remove the bull out from your hair. So I brought maybe when you are going to buy, you can just buy any type of deep conditioner, normal one. You can just get a normal deep conditioner and add the ingredients to it and transform it by yourself. So this is my regular deep conditioner that I use. I added my sweet almond oil inside. So let's check and see sweet almond oil benefit. Sweet almond oil is adding softness to your hair and adding shining. It's also reducing breaking. So guys, before I start, you guys can see I take my hibiscus spray, water to hydrate my daughter hair right now. As you guys can see, that one I'm using to hydrate her hair. While jojoba oil also is also moisturizing deep and helping with scalp healthiness. So while you are using jojoba oil, it's very, very good. It's very, very powerful. Guys, I did a mistake here, because when I say I did a mistake, I cut my daughter hair, but I did not cut her hair very well. Now I find difficult, people. Please, I need you guys also something. I find difficult to wash my daughter hair, so that made me to cut her hair a little bit, so that it will be easier for me to be washing it. But when I cut it, I did not cut it very well. Actually, the child, she didn't know that even I cut it, because anytime when I take scissors, she saw me take scissors, I said, oh, I'm going to cut your hair. She always shouting and crying. But this time around, I just put her down like that and do everything. But now I didn't cut it well. So I have to cut it again, because as I'm talking, maybe you guys will understand what I'm talking about later. So right now, as you guys can see, when I say is a compound treatment, because right now I'm using my oil, aloe vera oil and coconut oil. Those oil, I mix it together, I warm it for 15 seconds. This you can warm it in the microwave, or you can just put it in the hot water to make it like a double boil method for 5 minutes for it to get warm, room temperature, and you apply it. So first, I use my oil to massage my daughter's scalp and her hair. So right now, after do it, I do it like a hot oil treatment, and I take my treatment, the mixture that I mixed earlier. So right now is that mixture that I'm using to apply to my daughter. Now you can see she's laughing because she's giving me sweets, and I'm also taking it, so she's just making her laugh. So right now I'm applying my treatment to my daughter. So let's go back and check and see honey benefit. Honey also is having natural humanities, is attracting moisture and making hair soft and shinier while you are adding honey into your routine. So, and when you check about vitamin E oil, I added vitamin E oil is known for repairing damaging. So vitamin E oil is repairing damaging hair and promoting healthy hair growing. It's also strengthening hair strands. So it's very good while you are using or you are adding vitamin E oil to your routines. I also added glycerin inside. Glycerin also is locking in moisture and preventing dryness and keeping the hair hydrated long. So while you are using that one, glycerin inside. So after massaging the scalp, I started applying my deep conditioner mixed with a roof. I started with the roof to the end, making it I'm just making sure that every strand is going to cover with the treatment. All her hair strands is going to cover with this treatment. This is this treatment is very good, because that your scalp is going to get more soft, your hair is going to get more soft and strong and more manageability, less breaking. So it's very good, especially children, because children, we the parents, sometimes we don't know how we can manage our children hair. We're always doing some things that the children can cry, especially when they come to talk about the combing. Some of us, we don't know how to hydrate our hair before we comb it. We have time, even sometimes if your hair is even having water, you have to dry it before you put your oil, before you start to comb it, and that is the wrong way we are all doing. I'm also do that before, so I know what I'm talking about. Maybe you are still doing that thing, or you are not doing it. If you are someone watching this video and you know that you are not hydrating your hair before combing, or you are not hydrating your children's hair before combing, please, my sister, my mother, my daughter, you are doing the wrong way. You have to start doing something with it. Change the method way. Change the method, the way you are combing your children's hair. Now, as you guys can see, it's making the hair very more soft for me to even comb it. When you are doing it this way, it's just a natural, it's like a natural ingredient with natural, it's not chemicals relaxer. Okay, this is the hair relaxer, but not in the chemical one, because this relaxer is going to make her hair get more soft and easier to manage. Whatever that I'm doing, she's just going to be sitting there until I finish everything, no crying. So please let me know if you watch this video to this point. Have you ever tried this treatment on your hair before? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, type yes or no. Let me know, have you ever tried it or no? And if you don't try it, please start trying it, because it's very good. It's very powerful. This is very powerful, and I can tell you people, it's helped me a lot. It's helping me, and it's still helping me, because I will not stop using it. So far as even now, I even cut my daughter hair in the wrong way. I'm still going to cut it again, because I have to make the length things to get even normal than the way I make it. I was in hurry because I don't want my daughter to see the scissors or for her to notice that I'm cutting her hair. But I cut it. The problem why that did I cut it because also I'm finding it difficult now to wash her hair. I'm finding it difficult because she doesn't want water to touch her ear. So, anytime before I wash her, I have to go inside the washroom with her, put her on my lap, make her laying down on my lap before I do what? Before I wash her hair. And when I'm doing it, if water go inside this child ear or water pass by her ear, is going to be fire between me and her. So I'm just trying to avoid the drama for now because I know she have nice hair and she's still young. Definitely, she's still a baby. I can still grow her hair between like a year time. I can still grow her hair, no problem. So that's why I just make that eager. Me myself was saying that I don't want to cut her hair. I don't want to cut. Even some of my videos, I said it. I said I don't want to cut her hair, but finally I cut her hair because like washing it is difficult for me. So now I cut it is not cut very well, so I have to cut it again. After all, I'm just doing this treatment. I'm still going to cut it. Maybe that one also it will come with another video that doing with aloe vera treatment. So that video when I'm going to use the aloe vera with her, that's the time that I'll use that opportunity to cut it again, maybe tomorrow, because after this treatment the other one I will do it tomorrow. So tomorrow that I'm going to cut her hair, that time I'm already finished everything. So now as you guys can see, I finish everything. My daughter, I always tell her thank you, thank you. Anytime when I finish, I have to thank her and give her a kiss, pamper her and show her love. I'm just talking something sweet things to her because this child, she's going through a lot in the name of my hands. I deserve this child hair. I deserve her hair too much. So now it's not like she also getting used to it. She doesn't care about again because anytime when I just say, princess, today we are going to make your hair, she will tell me okay. But when she sit long, sometimes she doesn't want to sit too much long. She will tell me, I want to go inside the washroom, I want to use washroom, I want to use washroom, I want to do this, I want to do that. She will start getting up, straightening. You say, she will stretch herself and walk around. Then I will talk, and she come back and say. So I always thank her because she's helping me a lot, she's helping me a lot. She's even laughing. She's helping me a lot. So please let me know, have you ever tried this before in your hair? Have you tried it on your hair before or your children's hair? Let me know in the comment section, okay? My people, I'm going to tell you also, do this once in a week. Do not skip the heat steps, okay? Use small amount of greaseline. Is very good. If you find this video useful or helpful or useful, do not forget to like it, comment, and subscribe to Queen Padede, okay? Please, we need you guys' support. And also liking it is much more important also because while you like it, that will make YouTube algorithm for them to push it more to more people. They will push the video to more people for us. So we need you people help, okay? We need you guys help. Thank you very much for watching. We love you all. I'm still doing my daughter hair. But we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye bye.